He was my first. The guy was standing near the shop I was going to buy at. After I was about to leave, he asked to go with me. I agreed and we walked. He told me his name was Ncanywa and I told him mine was Mbali. We exchanged numbers and he turned back. The following day I was chilling at home watching TV. My phone rang and the number I didn't know. I picked it up and found out that it was Ncanywa. He asked me to meet with him behind the shop. We chatted and got to know each other. He told me that he loved me from the first time he saw me. I loved him too. We started calling each other and sending love messages. After a week, I went to his house. We watched movies and after that we kissed. We took off each other's clothes. But when he was about to take action, I reminded him, baby, let's use a condom. We used it, but after a few minutes, he took it off saying it's boring. I didn't oppose him enjoying the moment. Ncanywa always called me telling me that he loved me. I felt special and loved. I started being cheeky at home and never listened to my parents. I was stubborn and when they shouted at me I got angry and went to sleep at Ncanywa's. I hated being with people and got irritated easily. I started bunking school and stayed at Ncanywa's. When it was time to go home, I went home like school learner. One day I went for a checkup at the nearest clinic and discovered that I was pregnant. I was very shocked and didn't believe what I was hearing. I continued with my life like I didn't know anything. On the other side, I was excited that Ncanywa was going to get his firstborn from me. One day I decided to tell Ncanywa that I was pregnant. When I arrived there, I found him cozy with another girl watching movies. I entered and asked what was going on. He answered that I must go because I was disturbing them. I told him that I can't because I was carrying his child. He answered that the dog I was carrying was not his. He pushed me and I fell with on tummy. I was bleeding so much that I woke up at the hospital and the nurse told me that I lost the baby. My heart was sore. I should have listened to my parents. If I did, I wouldn't be in this situation. I was my mother's last hope that I could turn the situation at home. I couldn't go back home. I couldn't look at my mother after what I had done to her. If there was a backspace button in life, I would press it. My life was shattered. Tell us, have you ever been cheated on? How did you deal with it? For more videos, subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching and listening.